Welcome back to our channel. Today we are working on the G87 M2 again, and this time we're adding ducts and we're doing these small trim pieces similar to the M Performance ones, which are going to be just stuck on. So first we're going to stick these on, and then we're going to move to doing the ducts, which will involve taking the bumper off. So we'll show you how to do that. These trim pieces are just stuck on, so they come with the tape pre-applied, so we're going to peel them off and stick them on. But if you come over here, Archie, I'll show you. If you just line them up to the bottom, you'll see exactly how they go on the fenders, and that's where we'll stick them on. So now we're moving on to the ducts. First thing that we're going to do is take the wheels off to get to all the clips and all the fixings underneath, and then we'll get the bumper off and put the new ones in. Now that Mars has the plastic trims off, we're undoing the T30 Torx bits, and there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to undo here. And then while he's doing that, I'm going to undo the arch liner to get to the screws back here. So I've taken out 4 10mm screws, and then that allows me to get to the parking sensor clip here and the 8mm bolts or screws that hold on the bumper here. There's also a wiring loom connector here. That's the 2 connectors you need to undo here. One's for the loom and one is for the parking sensor. So now we'll move on to the other side. So there's another 10mm screws that Miles is undoing here, and then we'll also undo these clips, which there are 4 on each side, and then we should be able to get the bumper off once I've undone this one. So just like the G80, we're going to take out this skeleton part to get to these and where we take it out. So we'll take the loom off. That means removing this 8mm. That's it. And now, Archie, come closer. We can get to this and it comes out backwards, and then we can get the parking sensor out, put it in the new one, and then fit the new ducts, which fit in forwards. That's what it looks like. So you also get cable ties which go through these hoops and then around the original clips to fit these into place. So let's peel the tape off. Okay, now we'll get the bumper back onto the car and show you the finished product. So you need to make sure you don't forget to plug the loom and the parking sensor in. 1, 2, and that's those two 8mm up there done up. This fits nicely here, and then we can move on to these 10mm here to get the arch liner back on. So Miles has put all the 10 screws back in here, but he hasn't tightened them up fully. So what we're going to do is shut this, and then we'll line it up how we want it. Okay, so now the line is equal the whole way around. So we open it back up and then tighten them up completely. So the last step will be to torque the wheels. We do it to 130 Newton meters. So that's the ducts and the side trim pieces complete. So the ducts took about 45 minutes to fit, and the side pieces probably took about 20-25 to stick on. We prepared the surface before we stuck them on, so make sure you do that so you get the best adhesion. And then with this, you have to take the bumper off. It's very similar to the G87 M2. It's the same principle. So if you know how to do that, it's an easy job. But if you don't know how to do that, it's probably going to take you about an hour to do. So don't forget to check out all of the parts that we have for this car, including the CT Design kit and all of our M2, M3, M4 parts on the website.